To overdraft a Regions account, it's essential to understand the bank's overdraft policies. Regions Bank offers two types of overdraft coverage: standard overdraft coverage and overdraft protection. The standard overdraft coverage covers checks, recurring debit card transactions, and ACH transactions when there are insufficient funds in the account. Additionally, account holders can opt into this service for ATM withdrawals and one-time debit card purchases. But be aware that Regions charges a $36 overdraft item fee. On the other hand, the Overdraft Protection Service links a checking account to a savings, deposit, credit card, or line of credit account, allowing the bank to withdraw funds from these accounts to cover overdrafts, thereby avoiding the standard coverage fees. To enroll in overdraft protection, account holders can visit the bank's website, log in to their online banking portal, and select the Customer Service tab, followed by Account Services. From there, they can click on Manage Overdraft Protection to enroll their account, and after waiting one business day, they can return to the page to choose their preferred overdraft coverage option. Please note that fees are subject to change, so it's crucial to stay informed about any updates.